find something over there. I don't know. You guys a little bit of footage. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hopefully you guys are doing great today. I have a haul video for you. But before I show you our haul for today, I am going to show you some clips from the Amazon bin store. What's this? Turner partridge. She finds something over there. I don't know. You guys a little bit of footage. What? The light bulbs. It's actually not a bad deal. What's that? Probably not. How much? I don't know. Scan them. Do you have? Yeah. Scan them. Hold on, I'll have to, maybe I can. Hold on. No, thank you. Yeah, she's right next to me. Yeah, we don't need a hard hat. So my wife, myself, the middle Yinzer, and the baby Yinzer all went to the Amazon bin store. The little Yinzer was out over a friend's house hanging out. So we decided to go check out the Amazon bin store. Now my wife has never been there. The kids have been there before, but she has never been there. So I wanted to take her there, and this is right before Christmas. This is the day before Christmas Eve, actually. They were open a little bit early before the Christmas holiday. I decided, hey, let's go check it out. What was it gonna hurt? Well, we got there. It looked like it was really picked over, but man, did we find some good deals here. Also, I'm gonna note this right now. I know I'm looking up, I'm looking down. I have two cameras set up at the moment. The GoPro's here, our normal cameras here that we normally shoot photography on. I'm trying something a little bit different. I want to see how our photography camera does for footage. So if I'm looking down or up, I'm not sure which camera angle I'm actually going to use, but I'm actually going to focus on the top one because I'm hoping that that one does really good. So one of the first things we found at the bins was this Panasonic extra handset with the charger. These normally do really well for us. I have a really good track record with selling not cell phones, but home phones. People still purchase them. People need replacements. That's why these are really good. Just to make note, everything at the bins today, or this trip, was $5. If it was 10 bucks, I probably wouldn't have picked up most of this stuff. But at $5, I can make a pretty decent profit. I think these sell for about $15 to $18 plus shipping. Now, I may take it out of the box, I may not. I'm not sure how I'm going to go about this one yet. The next thing up we got, and this was kind of a gag for more or less, but it still might actually sell. I've seen it at the bins numerous times and left it there. This time I finally picked it up. We've been selling bras. If you've watched some of our What Sold videos, you know that we are selling bras. Well, I picked up this bra right here. I'm not even sure what size it is. 39C maybe? Let's see. Brand new in the bag. Oh, there's actually two in here. That's a bonus. Elise. I do not see a size though. I don't see a size, guys. I think they're 39Cs though. So two bras actually in that pack. So really not bad there. $2.50 an item. I shouldn't have an issue selling those at all. Next up, we have a puzzle. The box is smashed, but it's a Disney Thomas Kincaid puzzle. What I might do is cut the front of the box and sell the pieces with that. Thomas Kincaid puzzles sell. I'm gonna leave it in this box because it looks like there's a piece falling out somewhere. Yeah, right up here because the box is busted up. But I'll put it in a new bag and get this out. Hopefully somebody will purchase this one. If not, maybe we'll decide to build it. Back to the cell phones. These are these AT&T wireless phones with, there's a hub here. There's 1, 2, 3. I think there's 4 phones and all the chargers and cords. The chargers alone I can make $5 a piece on. But with the phones, I'm super happy with that. Like again, I showed you a cell phone here just a little, or a home phone a little bit ago, and we have no issue selling these. Then on to our favorite thing to sell. Well, used to be our favorite thing, but we haven't picked them up much lately. Levi's jeans. We found 5 pairs of jeans. 4 of them are brand new with tags. For $5 each, you cannot pass that up. I will spend $5 a pair if they are used, pre-owned, that are still in good condition. So we got this pair here. It's a 32 by 29 black. We have a 38 by 29 black. Now some sizes do sell better than others, but I still pick them up because some just might take a little bit longer. But I normally just sell out of jeans. There might be one pair that sticks around because it is an odd size, but I'm not going to leave it behind, especially new with tags. Then we have a 30 by 34 or 34 by 34 Levi's Flex black pair. And then we have a pair of 6 short 28 by 28s. These ones might be a harder time to sell, but I still think they're going to move. And our last pair of jeans that we found, my daughter actually thought it was 2 pairs, but these are 58 by 30s. I know bigger items normally do sell because people have a hard time finding the bigger sizes. So that pair I think is going to probably move the fastest out of all these. But I think that was the haul from the Amazon bin store. Not too bad of a trip. The Levi's really definitely saved us because the puzzle and the phones, I mean, they're going to do good. The bra was a joke, but I think we might end up doing decent with that. So until next time, guys, remember, smash that thumbs up, leave a comment. It really helps out the channel. We really want to continue to grow, and without you guys watching, commenting, liking, we can't grow that way. So until next time, remember, stay safe, stay healthy, and keep picking. Bye.